Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. So today's objective will be to paint a face using different textures in SketchUp. So let's get started. So to paint a face in model, let's first create a face using this rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle, then go to this paint bucket tool and choose a texture. It can be anything, and just press on this face and it will draw the texture. So let's do the same thing in the code. Let's press Ctrl P to open Ruby code editor. So at first we are going to create a face. Assume the point 1 to be 0, 0, 0, point 2, 10, 0, 0, point 3, 10, 10, 0, and point 4 as 0. Then we add face. Join these 4 points. Let's name this face as face 1. From now onwards I'll be using the hash sign because it is used to comment some section. So this is creating a face. Then what we will do is we will define material. So to define a material, let's say we are going to choose, let's say, wood, and this is quite good color, so I will choose this. So at first what we are gonna do is we are gonna choose this, go to this button, create material, and let's name this material as wood and press OK. So from now onwards it will add this texture named wood in model, so we can easily grab this texture from SketchUp model. So to define material, first we, let's say, wood as mode.materials, and inside brackets you need to assign the name that we have just assigned. So wood is the name that you keep to this texture. Now we can define its opacity. So opacity is not written as opacity, but it's written as alpha. So this alpha value ranges from 0 to 1. 0 meaning it's totally transparent, 1 meaning the opacity is full. So let's give the alpha value as 1. Then what we need to do is assign the material to the face. So to do so, what we do is we assign the material for face 1 as wood. So up to now, let's press Ctrl R and see what happens. As you can see, it has drawn a face, but you cannot see the texture of wood over here. Why is it so? As we can see, the SketchUp has two perspectives in faces, the back face and the front face. So it has got one slightly gray face and another is white face. So if we apply this material in the face 1, then it applies to this white part. So it has already put the texture in the white part of the face. And to put the texture in this gray part, we need to do another line of code, that is face 1 dot back material equals wood. Now let's press Ctrl R, then it will also put the texture in both the faces. So let's change the alpha value as 0.5. What it should do is it should make it look somewhat translucent. As you can see, the color is not totally visible, and if you put the alpha value as 0, then what it does is it makes it transparent. Though you can select the face, but you cannot see what is there inside the face. So to summarize, what you need to understand is that SketchUp has two types of faces, the back face and the front face. First, you need to assign the material. So this material is assigned inside the model, MOD, which means SketchUp Active Model. So then create a name for any texture. Then put the opacity value or alpha value. Then assign the material in the front part, which is denoted by material only, and the back part as the back material. Then you will get the desired texture. So this much for today. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thanks for watching.